Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be opening up two different more value packs, I guess you could say, of these 2019 and 2017 WWE cards. I don't have anything else to say, so let's just get straight into it. Start with the 2017 Then, Now, and Forever pack. I'm not expecting to get anything too crazy out of these. I think the odds are like 1 in every 100 or so that you get a autograph. So, starting off with Apollo Crews, Mickey James, Cassius Ohno, Razor, Dusty Rhodes, Roddy Piper, Kurt Angle, Jimmy Uso, Daniel Bryan, Roman Reigns, Lana, Goldust, who's now in AEW. Here's a bronze Drew McIntyre, former WWE champion, Daniel Bryan insert, and a John Cena insert. Finishing moves: Goldberg, Andrade, Undertaker, just retired recently, Chris Jericho, also an AEW guy now, DIY. Wow, that brings back some memories. I actually watched the pay-per-view that they split up at. That was the first NXT event I ever watched. It was pretty crazy to see. And John Cena. Nothing too crazy with that pack. It's got some pretty good cards. And let's start with the other one. Sorry about that. Let's just open this pack. I don't think we got anything special in this one either. Drake Maverick, Bobby Roode, Alicia Fox, Michael Cole, Maria Kanellis, Scott Dawson, Ronda Rousey, Nia Jax, Mike Kanellis, Bo Dallas, Brock Lesnar, Ember Moon, Kevin Owens. Here's another Razor card. Stephanie McMahon. Here's a bronze Natalya. Godfather Intercontinental Championship, Bret Hart, Shawn Michaels, Heath Slater, and then a Drew McIntyre Hometown Heroes. So overall, nothing too exciting. I got 2 bronze cards, and that's going to be the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello guys, and welcome back. The footage that you just watched was actually filmed yesterday on Friday at the time of releasing this, and I wasn't planning on publishing it to YouTube. I figured I would just wait and see if I could find anything else and not just release a boring video about opening 2 packs of cards. But I was just looking around today and I found maybe the rarest product that Topps has produced right now. Everybody's buying this stuff, Topps Crome, and they're just reselling it, buying it and reselling it. You can never find this stuff. And I found they must have just restocked, because I found a full box of this stuff. I just bought 1 blaster because I didn't want to spend all my money buying Topps Crome, because you only get like 31 cards when normally you would get like 70 to 75 cards. But yeah, with that out of the way, we'll just get started opening these 2. Alright, so let's get started looking at these. Here we have former NXT UK champion Pete Dunne, Sarah Logan, Sonya Deville, Tyler Breeze, Carmella. Here's an AJ Styles, Cesaro, Jason Jordan. Blue Parallel, 15 out of 99, Jimmy Uso. That's a rare card. Here's a bronze Randy Orton, Asuka, Shawn Michaels tribute, the Bludgeon Brothers, the Authors of Pain, Edge. Sorry if you can hear any background noise. Here's Larry Zbyszko, Ron Simmons, Trish Stratus. This is a rare card, blank. Alicia Fox, Pete Dunne again, Sarah Logan, Sonya Deville. I think this is the same pack. Okay, here's Nikki Cross, Ember Moon, Aleister Black, Kevin Owens, Future Star Bronze, Cassius Ohno, 2017 Rookies Samoa Joe, Shawn Michaels Tribute, Here's the Iconics, Cesaro and Sheamus, Lex Luger, Jim the Anvil Neidhart, Dusty Rhodes, and Andre the Giant. Alright, got it open. And now, let's see what the packs look like. Here are the packs. You got your 3 X-Factor parallel cards. This is what the packs look like. You got Becky Lynch on the cover. Let's start with pack 1. Here's a Drake Maverick. Brock Lesnar. Sergeant Slaughter Legends. Here's a Mia Yim refractor. Asuka. Kane. Shocking wins. Lord Tensai defeats John Cena in an Extreme Rules match. I'm a big fan of Lord Tensai. And here's a refractor, Pete Dunne. Very nice card. This one doesn't want to open. I'm trying not to bend the cards as I open them. Okay, here's The Miz, Bobby Fish, Kyle O'Reilly, and a Ronda Rousey refractor. Very nice card. Here's the Big Show, Buddy Murphy. There's a Charlotte refractor and a Peyton Royce. I think that's a refractor. Here's a Sonya Deville, Bronson Reed, Johnny Gargano, and a John Cena refractor card. Damian Priest. I'm a big fan of Damian Priest, former North American champion. Here's a Roman Reigns, just regular, and fantasy matches, Drew McIntyre versus Booker T, and then a Carmella refractor. That's a very nice image. I love the design of these cards. Last pack before the bonus refractors. Let's hope we can get an autograph or something. Here's The Rock, Daniel Bryan, not an image variation, AJ Styles, and a refractor Braun Strowman. And now these are the X-Factor refractor cards. I don't think you can get an autograph from these, so let's just get into these. Here's an X-Factor Braun Strowman, Baron Corbin, and Luke Gallows. So I just checked, and we do have an image variation of Charlotte Flair. If you didn't know, how you tell is there's a little IV before the number, as opposed to just the number on the back of the regular ones. I don't know if it'll focus. So yeah, very cool card to have. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.